Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good night, wherever you are. My name is Victor Akina, and today I introduce you to Shoe Money, how to make six figures every month by simply selling shoes on the internet. Who am I and why do you need to listen to me? My name is Victor Akina. I'm a digital marketer and founder of Afia Online, a digital marketing stroke e-com firm based in Lagos State, Nigeria. Listen, I'm not some kind of guru, but over the past 5 years, I've been able to leverage on the use of the internet to sell products and services, both for myself and clients, running into hundreds of millions of naira. I've also gone ahead to train more than 1,000 students on how to sell anything to anybody through the internet. Here's some testimonials from some of my students. This is Mrs. Tony. She owns one of the biggest shoe shops in Lagos State. As a matter of fact, somebody introduced her to me. But meanwhile, we attended the same school. So she found out that, wow, it's actually Victor and I know him. So here's what she has to say. She was about giving up when a friend introduced her to me. Fast forward, she said, I registered for a particular course my friend told me about and the magic began. I may not be able to give details, but my business has gone from where it used to be to where it is right now. So she's making six figures from her business. Now here's the testimonial from another of my students, Mrs. Chimon. She owns one of the biggest shops in Lagos. She sells jewelry. Now she said, good morning, sir. I'm really grateful for all that you taught me about selling on Facebook. I've been getting so many customers and lots of calls. Most customers even refer me to other people. I've never had such sales from Facebook since I started selling online. Thank you so much, sir. Mrs. Chioma Collins, CEO of Chikel Jewels. Now here is a testimonial from one of my partners. I mean, this guy handles part of my deliveries. I know Mr. Victor's Figures, because my company Dilly's Logistics handles part of his delivery. He has consistently given us jobs for the past 3 months. He sure knows he's honest. Now let me tell you something about this evil man. He found out that I was sending him shoes to drop off and he became interested in selling shoes. And he told me one day, Victor, please, you need to show me this stuff. And well, because I'm a generous person, I actually helped him to set up his first advert on his system, and then he has been making sales. So apart from his logistics business, now he also sells shoes. Here is Mr. Taiwo, the founder of Isa and Hubs Logistics. He says, my company Isa and Hubs Logistics have been handling Victor's jobs for the past 1 year. I can tell you for free, he practices what he preaches. Get between 5 to 10 delivery jobs from him every day. I kind of like get to split my jobs among the logistic companies because sometimes one company might not be able to handle all the delivery. Now here is another testimonial from Mr. Isaac Ifirobo, the founder of Ifirobo Nigeria Limited. He said, when I started my shoe business, I was running sponsored ads on Facebook. I was getting some results, but not as much as I wanted. Victor showed me the best way to run ads. Now I get orders without stress. Now here is a snapshot of one of my websites, my dashboard, from January 1st to August 2nd, 2021. Now this is not really big figures, you know, the gurus do more. But this is just something to encourage and to tell you that you can also make money from this business. Okay, now here is another, and this is a chart of one of my customers. Actually, I'm going to show you later on, tell you later on how you can also get your customers to buy over and over again, like make them repeat customers. Now here is a snapshot from my WP back office. I don't know, for some reasons the figure was dropped off, but let's just skip that. So what is this shoe money thing about? It's about buying shoes when you have orders, selling them at a cheap price for a profit. It's very simple. Listen to what I said. I said buying shoes when you have orders, so you don't have to import the shoes in bulk. You only buy when you have orders. You buy at a cheap price, you sell at a higher price for profit. Now, what are the steps involved? Number one, you source for quality but low cost shoe in the wholesale market. Now, the reason why I'm doing it is that some of you might not have bulk money to start the business. With 10 to 20,000 naira, you can actually start this business if you can lay your hands on a low cost but high quality shoe. Step number two, you take a good photograph. Well, this one has already been taken care of because most of the suppliers they're already getting used to the online thing, so they'll provide you with very wonderful pictures. Step number three, you set up an advert on Facebook because if you don't have traffic to your website, if nobody sees your stuff, nobody's gonna buy. Step number four, you buy only when you have an order. Step number five, you deliver and make money. So where exactly can you source for these shoes? There are two markets that I use basically. Number one is Trade Fair Market along Badagry Expressway. That's my favorite. There are actually three markets. Number two is Lagos Island Market behind Mandalas. And number three is Arena in Oshodi. But most of the times, I operate from Trade Fair Market along Badagry Expressway. Now I have contacts of more than 20 different sellers in this market. So I'll show you how to access these things, the contacts of the sellers at the end of the video. So what kind of shoes should you go for? For starters, I'll recommend you going for low cost shoes. Why? If you go for a shoe, the wholesale price of say 10,000 naira, then the others will mean that you have to churn out 100,000 naira. But for a low cost shoe of say maybe 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. On 10 orders, you should be getting only 20,000 naira to buy. That is, let's assume that the shoe is 2K. They have shoes of 2,000, 2,005, 3,000. Some sellers used to give on credit, but they stopped it because people started bastardizing it. So, and on these shoes of 2,000 naira, you can sell for 6,500, 7,000, 7,500, depending on the quality of the shoe. Now, what I like about this strategy is the fact that you only buy when you have an order, and you can make up to 200k or more every month by doing this. So let's say you make 3,000 naira profit per shoe. If you sell 70 shoes per month, that's 210,000 naira, right? If you sell 100 shoes, that's 300,000 naira. It's not hard to achieve this figure. I'm telling you because I do even more than that. But Victor, are you sure about it? Not yet. Between 16th of January and today, 29th, I've sold more than 70 shoes. Actually, I was supposed to backdate this slide. I was supposed to update this slide. I've sold more than this figure between January and today, August. It amazes my suppliers how I'm able to sell out her shoes. They call me the online man in trade fair market. There's always a demand for shoes. You know, someone can have 10 pairs of shoes and still get compelled to buy another one because it feels it looks good. I mean, those guys are called the sneaker heads, whatever. They love to buy sneakers. Now, the most important skill you need to learn to make a lot of money from this business is your ability to run targeted Facebook ads. It's not enough to just have the pictures. When you learn how to target the right people and write the right things in your ads, you have lots of people begging you to deliver the shoes to them. Now, if you look at this figure, you can see 341 naira. That is how much I spend per conversion. And by per conversion, I mean Facebook charges me this figure when somebody fills my order form on my website. So it costs me that little amount of money to get the sale. Now let's talk a bit about this Facebook advertising stuff. Facebook users, according to Napoleon Cat, in 2019, the number of Nigerians on Facebook was 20,530,000. And we're in 2021 now, so you'd expect that the figures would have increased. Okay? Now, what this tells you is that you have a potential market of people to sell your shoes to. Now, there's something we call the Facebook Ad Manager. You can access it by going to business.facebook.com if you have a Facebook account. Now, through the ad manager, you can sell to anybody wherever. Doesn't matter if the person is even abroad, you can target people outside of Nigeria with the Facebook ad manager. Facebook has provided this platform for small and big businesses to promote their products and the services. Now here's a screenshot of what the Facebook ad manager looks like. Okay, so the ad manager has different objectives, and the objective you select will determine the outcome and determine what you are trying to promote and what you're trying to achieve. For example, you have the traffic objective. By traffic, it simply means, oh, Facebook, I want these people, XYZ amount of people in ABC place to go to my website and read this article. So you send traffic to that website. You have the engagement. This is you saying, Facebook, I want people to engage with my content. I want people to engage with my video. I want people to engage in whatever it is that I posted. That is the objective. App installs. Here's you saying to Facebook, oh, I have an app and I want people to download this app. You select this objective for that. Now, let's say you've created a video and you want people to view the video, you use video views. We have the lead generation that helps you to collect people's contact details from Facebook. We have the messages objective. This option makes people to chat you up on your messenger or WhatsApp. We have the conversion ads, we have the catalog sales, we have the store visits. Of all these objectives, I love the conversion ads more because Facebook just gets to charge me when somebody fills my order form. And it's pretty straightforward stuff. You just hit for sales and tell Facebook, charge me when somebody fills my form and lands on my thank you page. Okay? Now there's several interests that you can target. And this interest depends on the kind of product that you're selling. So if I'm selling shoes, I want to target anything relating to shoes. Okay, if I'm selling fitness and wellness, if I'm selling gym equipment, I want to target anything related to fitness and wellness, as you can see on this page. So if I'm selling shoes, I want to target people, I want to target men from ages 30 who like shoes, and I want to target people in Lagos State. So you can decide to target people in Port Harcourt, people in Abuja. It depends on you and what you want to achieve. So what if I showed you how to set this whole thing up from scratch and guide you till you start making money? I want to give you contacts of all the shoe sellers that I have. I'll give you access to the shoe sellers in Trade Fair Market, in Lagos Island, plus access to over 20 sellers of fabrics, jewelries, baby clothes, etc. I'll show you how to sell using Facebook. I want to hold you like a baby and show you the exact Facebook ads that help me to make hundreds of shoe sales in a month at very cheap conversion cost. Serious, but I want to show you how to target mature buyers, not the whiskey boys that play around with your business. These buyers will keep on calling you even when you've not delivered their shoes. I mean, you'll be like their oxygen. I'm going to show you how to set up the same sales funnel. See, some of these gurus, when they talk about their stuff and when they want to share their business with you, they don't show you the exact ads that they did to make those figures. They tend to beat about the bush and dance around it. But because I'm selfless, I'm going to show you how to set up the same page that helped me to sell hundreds of products. Plus, I'll teach you how to set this thing up on WhatsApp business, even if you don't have a website. I'll show you how to create WhatsApp e-commerce store. You don't have a website? No problem. I'll show you how to create a WhatsApp e-commerce store for free. You can even take payments from this website, upload your products, etc. I'm going to show you how to get 97% delivery rate. Getting orders on Facebook is one thing. Delivering the orders is another thing. I'll tell you how to follow up your customers to ensure that they pay for the shoe. Now to because I'm generous, I'm going to add these bonuses. Instant Builder plugin for creating fancy sales pages. WP FOMO sales notification plugin for telling your customers or your would-be customers that people are buying your product. You're going to get my support for 1 month, valued at 100,000 naira, and I'm going to show you how to sell to bulk buyers. You'll be able to collect money from these buyers upfront. Now, how much do you think these things will cost? 50,000, 25,000, maybe 15,000. Now, for 10,000 naira, just today, I want to give you access to my secrets. I'm giving you secret just for two packs of pizza and a pocket of ice cream. So you might want to skip the junk and invest your money in something that is profitable. So here's a recap of what you'll get in the shoe money course. Contact of shoe sellers valued at 15,000. How to sell shoes with Facebook ads valued at 25,000. How to target serious buyers. How to set up your sales funnel valued at 25,000. How to create WhatsApp e-commerce store valued at 10,000. How to get up to 97% delivery rate. Other bonuses include Instant Builder plugin valued at 15,000, WP Sales Formal Notification plugin, support for 1 month, and how to sell to bulk buyers. The total value of this whole training and bonuses is 180,000 naira. But if you hop on it today, I'll only give you access to buy this course for 10,000 naira. Okay? Sounds good, right? To enroll and make payments, send your payment to the Diamond Bank account displayed on the screen, or you can use the link below to pay for the course via the Pay Stack option. It's totally secure and you don't need to have a problem with that. All right, I guess the ball is on your court right now. So, what do you want to do about it? Take advantage of this offer and make more money, or sit down and just watch me do my thing. I'll see you on the inside.